Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Unjengaye. They are at the Dlamini mansion. Unjengaye, uPhetheni nomzala kaNjengaye. They are sitting on the table having a conversation, and when this scene started, I'm just like, I wonder uPhetheni uzothini about this matter, you guys. Umzala kaNjengaye goes on to say, uphahla lwendlu meluvuza unembobo, lokho kubeka ikhaya engozini. Kanjani na? Lokuvuza kuyanda ngesikhathi imbobo iyanda. Uma kungaphuthunywa kulungiswe ngesikhathi kutholakala ukuthi kunembobo, kungase kubeke ikhaya lonke engcupheni of falling apart. Yingakho-ke njengoba silana ngicela ukuthi sibambane to make sure ukuthi siyasithola isombuluko sikwazi ukuthi sixazulule le nkinga. He looks at uPhetheni, he's like, makoti, ubafo ungibizile lana. Ubhlungu ngempela. Umngani wakho khona okuthize amtshele khona. So as he's trying to continue, ingathi uPhetheni already knows ukuthi kuzothiwani. uPhetheni just jumps in and she's like, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ubani lowo mngani. And then umzala kaNjengaye goes on to say, manje ke makoti, yinkinga ke lena, and it's the reason why we're here. As he's about to continue, uPhetheni is like, Sibalikhulu, yonke lento idalwe ngumona nje. Yabona lo mngani enikhuluma ngaye, kade nje efisa impilo yami, kade nje efuna umyeni wami. Wakhala kwangudeliwe, manje ngusamke. Lento isuka kude nje. Unjengaye then looks at uPhetheni and is like, wangchithela? Hey Phetheni, ungchithele na? uPhetheni is like, cha, angikazi ngikuchithele myeni wami. But you can see ukuthi Njengaye, guys, he doesn't believe it, and then the scene ends like that. Fine. Next scene, we see Unjengaye and uPhetheni. uPhetheni is lying on the bed. Unjengaye abulalegi, guys. He's sitting on his buttocks on the bed. Abanga naphayana. Unjengaye is like, uqinisile ngalento ishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi vele awuchithanga. uPhetheni is like, yeah, ngiqinisile sithandwa sami. Unjengaye then says, usamke pho, ebewaqambelani amanga mangaka. And then uPhetheni says ukuthi asiqale ngokubuza ukuthi usamke umbuyiselani uma empilweni yami. Sibalikhulu, lo wamuntu wesifazane uyangizonda, unonya, akangifuni nje. Unjengaye is like, hayi mina angisazi. uPhetheni goes on to say, inkinga kaSamke yikuthi mina ngaphumelela empilweni, wayecabanga ukuthi kuzophumelela yena. Mina-ke ngathatha iy'nqumo ezi-right ukuze ngifike la ngibe khona namhlanje empilweni yami. Ngifela lokho-ke. Unjengaye just looks at uPhetheni. uPhetheni is like, yini vele uzovumela umuntu ongamazi ukuthi angene phakathi kwethu, he? Unjengaye is like, why ublame mina ke manje ngoba mina ngizama ukuthi uPhetheni is like, uzamani? Uzamani? Angizange ngiweseke mina ngesikhathi kwaphuma indaba kaNomfundo noThemba. Angizange ngikusupporte. Angilindelanga ukuthi ngidayiswe wena Njengaye, please. And then that scene ends like that. Listen, uPhetheni is standing on business, but Unjengaye, even if he wants to believe what uPhetheni is saying, there's still that feeling ukuthi, ay man, there's something deeper to this thing than what uPhetheni is actually saying. Next scene ke kwambambo uSamke benovuma are sitting in the kitchen. They are having a conversation. So uSamke, the conversation just starts off with uSamke saying ukuthi ucabanga kanjalo. Then uVuma's like, fanele sibatshele ukuthi kwenzakalani phakathi kwethu. Angizithandi izinto ezifihiwe mina. That time while they're having a conversation, guys, we can see in the background uSangweni opens the door. uyabheka uyakoba laphayana ukuthi ubaba noSamke benzani. He's half naked but avala umnyango futhi. uSamke then says kuvuma yinto yanini leyo, and then uvuma zathi fanele esithole isikhathi esiright maybe khona nje bonke siphelele as umndeni bese ngizobahlalisa phansi ngibachazele. As uvuma speaking like that, in the background uSangweni, he opens the door, guys, and some girl just runs out of the bedroom. Kusho ukuthi uSangweni umtshelile ukuthi okay fine basakhuluma laba, mengivula umnyango wena baleka uphume ngesango. The girl runs out. Usamke's like, Aibo, you know. Uvuma turns back. He's like, Aibo, yay. When Uvuma gets up from his seat, he jahas the girl. The girl is too fast. The girl is out of the house already. Uvuma's like, Wento mazana. Yay. At this point, Uvelep is out of a room. Usangwen uphume kamerin like. Usangwen is like, Baba, ungamemezi. Hayibo uzomthusa ke manje nomuntu angeke afune ubuya ke manje. That time he's half naked, busy speaking like that. Uvuma's like, Hayibo weSamke, uphi uSangweni? He comes back towards the lounge. He sees uSangweni standing there. He looks at uSangweni. He's like, umsangano muphi owenze emzini kababa wena? Uvelep is like, hey, hayibo, ayiqaluyiva. uSangweni is like, Baba, angwenza umsangano lana, umuntu wami loyana manje mawumemeza umthethisa kanjani lapho lo muntu angeke afuna ubuya lana ekhaya baba. Ulokhuzana uvuma zapho umuntu wakho weSangweni, usunomuntu wena, uyingane wena Sangweni. uSangweni is like, hayi baba, ngicela ukuthi silungise leyo ke baba, angiyona ingane mina ngiyindoda. Uvuma's like, hayi mana mfana, mana, wow, indoda wakha umuzi wayo, indoda ayihlali kubo, ufaka intombazane emzini kababa. uSangweni is like, baba, eish baba. Ulokhuzana uvuma's like, ufuna isikolo Sangweni, usunomuntu wena, uphuka yi-life science, uphuka imfundo, usunomuntu wena. Sangweni is like, ayingeke baba, awuyeke kancane indaba yesikolo. Hey, uthuse umuntu wami lana, ngeke aphinde abuye lana, uzongitshela ngesikolo, ayingeke, and he walks off like that. Yo, guys, it looks like lento kadeniwe passing away. Listen, it did a number on uSangweni because uSangweni, yay, guys, akabambeki these days. Next scene here, we see uKwenzo and uSibongile. We were anticipating this moment. It's the next day. There's still the roses on the floor. uKwenzo ulele laphayana. uSibongile is sitting up and she's just daydreaming. And I'm thinking to myself, oh my gosh, kusho ukuthi uSibongile for real, she lost her virginity and it looks like she's regretting what's going on here. So uKwenzo gets up, avuke. He's like, oh, usuvukile, isivukile ingelosi. And then uSibongile then says, sawubona. uKwenzo's like, all right. uSibosh is like, wenza ngiyaxolisa about izolo, ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi bengizitshela ukuthi sengiready ukuyenza lento. Kusho ukuthi guys, by like uSibongile, she stopped everything, and maybe that's the reason why she's feeling so guilty or looking so guilty. uKwenzo's like, asikho isidingo sokuthi uxolise Sibongile, ziyenzeka izinto ezisona. uSibongile then says, ngizizwa ngathi ngivele ngamosha yonke into nje. uKwenzo's like, kodwa awumoshanga lutho Sibongile, nothing has changed phakathi kwethu Sibongile. Then he draws her closer, amhage. He's like, ngiyakuthembisa wena nami sohlezi sinje, sohleli si-close kuze kube naphakade. And then the scene ends, but you can see ukuthi uKwenzo, it doesn't seem like a big deal, the fact that uSibongile said no, but it looks like uSibongile is feeling so guilty, and that's my problem. That reason she's feeling so guilty, guys. I'm just like, this year uSibongile akaye emhlangeni or next year or something like that, because I'm like, you see, this guilt is going to end up making her giving up her virginity because she feels guilty. Anyway, next scene, uVelephi emsebenzini, we see her, she's admiring her ring. I'm just like, when did uVelephi get a ring, guys? She's blushing there, alone, standing. So as she's standing, then uSipho approaches her. So uSipho comes, he's like, vele singakhuluma. uVelephi then says, oh baby, yazi bengifuna ukukhuluma nawe kanjani. Kade ngicabanga indaba yethu yomshado, ukuthi yazini, I don't want a big wedding lapho sizomema abantu abaningi. Like, no, it should be just mina nawe, sihambe, siye home affairs ngephisi nje. uSipho's like, home affairs? uVelephi's like, yeah, home affairs. I-idea e-right angithi, ngoba phela leyo nto izosisavela imali ne-stress nje, idrama nje angiyifuni, yabona. Izoba right, uyabona Sipho, izoba right. Futhi-ke sobabili-ke sesiyahola i-stipend sakho, nami futhi nginomholo wami, so bengicabanga ukuthi yabona ukuthi kuzoba right kakhulu nokho-ke. uSipho is just standing there looking so confused. uVelephi goes on to say, futhi-ke we will be able ukuthi sisave le apartment yethu la sizokhala khona ikusasa lethu, even if you know it's not something enkulu, yabona, indawana nje encane enhle nje la sizohlala khona, yimina, wena noManqoba, sibe umndeni nje. And futhi Sipho nomanje, I'm sure angaziqhenya kakhulu ngami ngalento. uSipho is just standing there, you guys. He doesn't even know what to say. uVelephi goes on to say ukuthi ukuba ebekhona nje uma lana ebezojabula nje. uSibongile yena hayi ke, how shame, angifuni uyiphatha indaba yakhe ngoba nje uSibongile, once I get married, she is going to be left far behind. Then uVelephi is like, oh konje baby, uthe ufuna ukukhuluma, sengize ngakhohlwa bufuna ukuthini. uSipho's like, oh, like, it was nothing. uVelephi's like, well, sure, baby. uSipho's like, yeah, ngisho. And then uVelephi's like, oh, okay, sithanda sam. uSipho's like, so sikhulume ke sithanda sam. And then uVelephi's like, oh, okay, but you can see, listen, uVelephi is so excited for this new chapter of her life. Next scene, we see uVelephi, it's after work. uKambalenhle, she is out and about nabangani bakhe. Niyabazi ke abangani bakaVelephi ukuthi, you know, they are just those girls who are empty in their head. So anyway, uVelephi is sitting with two of her friends. The one girl is like, yo, congratulations, mngani. uVelephi is busy showing them the ring. uVelephi is like, ngiyabonga. Oh, then lo munye uGeli goes on to say, finally, yazi uSipho, wakhula umuntu. uVelephi is like, yeah. And futhi-ke uManqoba fanele akhule nabazali bakhe, yabo. So like ngiyazibona nje, soon nje ngizoba umisisi nje. And then uGeli, the one friend is like, kodwa, oh, unaso isiqiniseko mngani? Hayi kabi, oh, kodwa like uyafuna ukushada noSipho. uVelephi is like, how, usho ukuthini mngani? Umngani goes on to say, no phela, oh, wena unguV, ubukade uphuma kuma-music video upopa nje. Ungathola noma eliphi i-hotmani or elizophathisa kweqanda likutotose. Oh, uyayizwa lento engiyishoyo uVelephi. uVelephi is like, yini wrong ngoSipho. Then the other friend says, no mngani, ungamnaki kune-essential, ungamnaki. Oh, yikuthi mngani, akekho kwiclass yethu, uSipho akekho kwiclass yethu. Yena ungumfana o-right, angifuni ukuhamba amanga, kodwa oh, ama-levels. Hayi, u-Inisonshia goes on to say, na oh, ama-levels, uSipho akekho kwizinga lethu. uVelephi then says, mina into engiyaziyo lana yikuthi uma ngabe uyayiqhenya ngami futhi sinosipho sizolakha nje ikusasa sibe right nje. Then the friend uNessentia then says, yeah, oh, ngiyakuzwa uma wakho vele bekuthanda, oh, angifuni ungasho, ebekufisela izinto ezinhle, kodwa ngikholwa oh ukuthi ebefuna ukuthi ushade noSipho. uVelephi then says, hayi ke ikona okungilungele ke mina futhi ke ngijabule ngalokho. This isn't about imali, guys. Inkinga yenu niyathanda to make everything about imali. Into engiyicelayo kumina ukuthi ni-understande, ni-accepte njengoba ningabangani bami. Then u-Innocentia says, hey, okay ke mngani sizothini. UVelephi is like, yeah. So into engingibizele yona ke lana yikuthi nje ngifuna ukuthi ningishayele into encane nje i-bachelorette party. Then abangani bakhe is like, hayi ke uyasazi ke thina. And then uVelephi is like, niphinde ke nibe ama-witnesses ami. And then the one friend says, ama-witnesses. Then uVelephi is like, yes. Ugel is like, ama-witnesses for ini, for what? UVelephi is like, home affairs, mengiyosayina phela. U-Innocentia is like, ini, home affairs. UVelephi is like, yes, ngiyoshadela home affairs. Phela angifuni into enkulu mngani. I want something small with only the people that I'm close to. But you can see abangani bayamjaja, and I don't know if uVelephi is going to succumb that pressure. Anyway, guys, next scene there we see Uvuma and Usamke. They are sitting in the kitchen. Usamke is busy pouring itiye for Uvuma. So Usipho comes in while Usamke ben Uvuma behleli kanjani. Sipho comes in, is like, sanibonani. Usamke is like, yebo. Usipho then says, ngiyaxolisa ukuniphazamisa. Baba bengisaqala ukukhuluma nawe. Uvuma looks at him, is like, kwenzenjani? Usipho's like, ngizoyisho kanjani lento? Baba, angizama ukuthi ngikukhombisa ukuthi angikuhloniphi kodwa angisaboni ukuthi kuyisikhathi esi-right sokuthi mina noVelephi sishade. Baba, lo muntu, like, uVelephi, she is still hurt. Manje abayicabangisisanga lento kahle, lento yomshado. Mina ngifuna ukwenza izinto ngendlela efanele, kodwa yena uyajaha nje lokho mane sithi uthi ufuna ukwenzela uma wakhe ukuze ayithenge ngaye. Manje angazi ukuthi ngizomtshela kanjani futhi angifuni umdisappointa. Uvuma just looks at Usipho. He's like, Jehova, hayi Jehova ongcwele, kodwa uNkulunkulu wami, Mageza, yeyi mfana, wasifaka entweni. Ukuba awuzange waguga phambi kwaVelephi ucele umshado, ngingazi-ke ukuthi ube usanganiswa yini, ngabe asikho kule nkinga. Manje yinto ezothiwani-ke lena Sipho? Then the scene ends like that. Imagine uVelephi is telling everyone, guys, about umshado wakhe. That time uSipho wants to cancel this whole thing. Imagine. Last scene, girl, we see uNjengaye benumzala wakhe walking into the house. They are coming from playing soccer. So uNjengaye is like, hey, Bafo, hi Nogo, it was a beautiful day. Then umzala then says, uday ungashuphinde. uNjengaye is like, yeah. Then bahlale phansi. Umzala goes on to say, Yazi, we don't have to wait for Father's Day to appreciate one another. Mina nawe nje siyahloniphana Bafo and sibumbeni. uNjengaye is like, kunjalo ngempela Bafo. Umzala goes on to say, unenhlanhla ake ngempela ngoba phela noma umuntu ekushayile, it was a minor defeat, like ukushaye kancane nje, like I beat you just kancane ngescore esincane. But he's talking to uNjengaye and he can see ukuthi uNjengaye akekho lana, like uNjengaye just zooms out. And then the cousin is like, Bafo. Then uNjengaye is like, Bafo, yeah, ngilana Bafo. Then the cousin is like, how? Wangathi awusekho nje lana. uNjengaye is like, hey Bafo, yabona lento kaPhetheni, ibuye idlale ivuke ekhanda nje. Then umzala then says, like, what thing are you talking about, Bafo? Leyo ukuthi wajola uPhetheni. Then uNjengaye is like, akusuwona umjola kuphela Bafo, yonke lento ijule kakhulu Bafo. As they speaking like that, uChina walks in and then they pause their conversation. uChina pause in itiye ke. And then uLokuzana, umzala kaNjengaye then says ukuthi, siyabonga ndodakazi, siyabonga. Then uChina walks out. Umzala goes on to say, uyabona Bafo, lalela la, ubusisiwe wena. Umshado wakho uyisimangaliso Bafo. Wonke umuntu uyafisa to have umshado ofana nowakho. Uyabazi ke abantu banomona la ngaphandle. Kodwa ke into engicelayo kuwena ungalinge uhlaphaze nje umshado wakho ngenxa yey'nsolo, ungalinge nje ukwenze lokho. And then uNjengaye just looks at umzala. You can see ukuthi lento umzala ayikhulumayo ayingeni. uNjengaye then says, ngiyakuzwa bafo. Kodwa, like lo mjono lo ofihlwe kangaka. Mekuthiwa ukuthi kwaqhamuka umntwana ngawo lo mjono, ngoba ngempela like I ask myself mina, ukuthi mina noMvusi, why sigejana kanje? What if? And then the cousin then says, bafo, cha. Yini le ozama ukungitshela yona bafo? Ucabanga ukuthi uVusi akusiyona indodana yakho? Enye into, umkakho, she swore to us, wabeka wacaca ukuthi akakaze aqome. uNjengaye is like, hayi, yazi bafo, noma ngizama ukubonda noVusi, la kuba nalelizwi nje elingibuza ukuthi what if? That time mekakhuluma kanjalo, guys, uGcina is standing somewhere. She's listening to the conversation and she heard everything. uNjengaye goes on with this conversation. He's like, yabona nje, bafo. Then uBafo then says, ay, bafo ngeke. And then the episode ends like that. Guys, I wonder what is uGcina going to do with this information? I don't know, like you guys, and like the thing is the old Gcina going to come back? Because we know the old Gcina, she would have used this information to her benefit, but I mean, this is her husband we are talking about. But anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. Guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.